Welcome back to the kitchen. For the next few videos, I'm going to be showing you how to make some easy vegetable dishes. So the first one is going to be an avocado dish, and you could argue that technically an avocado is a fruit, but either way it's still a plant and it's healthy. So we're going to start by cutting up our avocado. There's two ways to tell that it's ripe, three ways really. When you squish it, it should squish pretty easily. It should also be a dark color. And also when you pull off the little stem, the top should look sort of pale yellowish green inside. I like to cut my avocado on a glass cutting board. That way I don't get avocado squished into my wooden cutting board. This one actually ended up with a little bit of a bad spot in the middle, but that's really nothing to worry about. You can just cut that out. Okay, and then I'm going to peel it. The part where the stem was on the avocado, you can see where the stem was attached. There's sort of some fibers in that part where that was helping the stem to stay attached, and they're not really that fun to eat. So I always like to make a little cut just at the top and then use that to peel it. So that way it's easier to peel and you're getting rid of that little rough spot at the top. This one looks like it has a little bit of a bad spot here too, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, so they're all cut. Now I'm going to slice them. Okay, as you can see, there we go. They're sliced very thinly, and I'm going to put them on a plate and then I'll show you the other ingredients. So now I have the avocados sliced thinly on a plate. I'm going to show you our other ingredients. We're going to be using red wine vinegar. It is not wine, it's not alcoholic, in case you're concerned about that. It's just red wine vinegar. We're also using crushed red pepper, black pepper, feta cheese, and onion. These happen to be yellow onions, but you can use any other kind of onion that you want. I'm going to start by slicing some of the onion. I'm going to slice it thinly. It's up to you how much you like. Okay. And now I'm going to add the feta cheese. Okay, and then you can add as much pepper as you want. Okay, and then you just put a little bit of the red wine vinegar on top. And the reason why this is all good together is because the avocado is very, almost bland, but in a good way. And it's very buttery and creamy. So I feel like you need to have other flavors that are sharp or strong or even a little bit acidic to go with that. And if I had some little grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, I would also slice those in half and serve that with this, but I don't have any right now. Okay, and if this is a really nice dish to just eat every day on your own, and it's also really nice for company because it looks really pretty. You can see. There. It's also a very pretty dish. It's easy. And the other thing about it that you need to keep in mind is it is not a make-ahead dish because the avocado will start to turn brown very quickly. So you do have to make it right before you're going to serve it. Alright, I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you back in the kitchen next time.